Imagine earning $50,000 a month from the comfort of your home, leveraging the power of AI and affiliate marketing. Sounds too good to be true. Stick around, because today we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to achieve this using Clickbank and cutting-edge AI tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest strategies to make money online. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our tips and tricks. In this video, we're breaking down a method that combines Clickbank affiliate marketing with AI-generated content to create a passive income stream. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding Clickbank and affiliate marketing. First, let's understand what Clickbank is. Clickbank is a popular affiliate marketplace where you can find thousands of digital products to promote. As an affiliate, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. These products range from ebooks and online courses to software and membership sites. The commissions can be quite generous, sometimes up to 75% of the sale price. Section 2. Finding a profitable niche. To succeed, you need to choose a profitable niche. Some evergreen niches include health and fitness, wealth and finance, and relationships. These niches have a constant demand, making them ideal for affiliate marketing. Within your chosen niche, look for products with high gravity scores on Clickbank. A high gravity score indicates that many affiliates are successfully promoting the product, suggesting it's a good seller. Section 3. Leveraging AI for content creation. Now, here's where AI comes into play. Creating content consistently can be time-consuming, but AI tools can help automate this process. Start by using an AI writing tool to generate a script based on the product you're promoting. Input key information about the product, and the AI will craft a compelling script for your video. Next, use a text-to-speech AI to convert your script into a natural-sounding voiceover. This eliminates the need for recording your own voice. Finally, use an AI video creation tool to combine your voiceover with relevant visuals, creating a professional-looking video ready for upload. Section 4. Uploading and optimizing your videos. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube. Optimize your video by including relevant keywords in the title, description, and tags to improve visibility. Don't forget to include your Clickbank affiliate link in the video description. This is how you'll earn commissions when viewers make a purchase. Section 5. Driving traffic and scaling up. To drive traffic to your videos, share them across social media platforms, relevant forums, and blogs. The more exposure your videos get, the higher the chances of earning commissions. As you create more videos and refine your strategy, you'll start to see growth in your traffic and earnings. Consistency is key. Section 6. Tips for success. Here are some tips to maximize your success. Focus on quality. Ensure your videos provide value and accurately represent the product. Stay updated. Keep an eye on trending products and adjust your promotions accordingly. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and build a community around your content. Analyze performance. Use analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Then optimize your strategy. Scale up. Once you find a formula that works, replicate it across different products and niches, and there you have it, a complete roadmap for making $50,000 a month with Clickbank and AI-powered content. Start small, be consistent, and scale up once you find what works. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which part you're going to take action on first. And don't forget, click the link in the description to find out how I managed 12+ profitable YouTube channels and built a 7-figure business with this exact blueprint. You could be next.